Hey girl, how's it going, girl? Welcome back to the Hoi Mustafa story with me, Danny Hoi Mustafa and Evervone. So in this video, we would like to practice Faroese alphabet. Yay! With Evervone. And what's so special about the Faroese alphabet? Faroese alphabet consists of 29 letters. It has 8 additional letters and missing 5 letters from the normal alphabets that we know. So the Faroese alphabet does not consist of letters C, Q, W, X, and Z. These 5 letters are not commonly used in the Faroese words, but they do have extra 8 alphabets, which is O, ed or mute D, ui, u, satna ui, and u. So let's see how the complete Faroese alphabet looks and sounds like. And we're going to practice with Evervone. Practice Faroese alphabets with Evervone. Yay! Here we go. Okay, now let's start practice Faroese alphabet or Foroyos Bokastafara with Evervone. And remember, there is no letter C, Q, W, X, and Z. Now let's start. You can repeat after me. A, O, B, D, et, This is what the Faroese call the mute D, and actually in a word it does not really pronounce, so it's a mute D. Next alphabet, A, F, G, H, I, Ui, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, the, u, eu, ve, satna i, satna ui, Both satna i and satna ui in a word is actually pronounced the same like i and ui, but in alphabet, the satna i and satna ui, they put the word satna means it's the second i and the second ui, or the next i and the next ui. Next, ea, and the last one, It's not so hard, huh? Probably for the English speaker, the sound of ABC is quite different, but for the Indonesian, I'm sure it's not that hard for you. It's just probably the new alphabet like ui, ea, or ed that sounds more different. The vowel is also known a diphthong or twilio. And this one is pronounced I. This one, a. And this one is oi. So, I, a, oi. Repeat again. I, a, oi, oi. So that's it. That's the Faroese alphabet. So how does the Faroese sing their alphabet song? Is it different? It is different. Although you can sing it with the normal alphabet song, you sing the A, B, C, D, E, F, G. But let's sing the Faroese alphabet song together, everyone. Here we go. A, O, B, D, F, E, F, G, H, I, U, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, V, satna I, ui, e, I, a, oi. Again, one more time. A, O, B, D, F, E, F, G, H, I, U, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, V, satna I, ui, e, I, a, oi. I, a, oi. Yay, we did it! So thank you for watching. So see you in our next video. Peace, hi, see you, hi, everyone. Hi.